My name is Senator Katherine Zappone, and I'm delighted to be chairing the press conference, and just by way of welcoming everyone here, and particularly my colleague Senator Gillian Van Turnhout, also Deputy Patrick Nolte, Senator Trevor O'Claherty, and we do have as well a representative from Senator Power's office, and apologies from Deputy Kira Conway. I'm very pleased, I was very pleased to be invited to chair this conference. 7 is too young. 7 is too young. I think those are 4 words that present a solid analysis and key concerns about changes to the one-parent family payment in the social welfare bill that is going to be brought, as we know, to the Dáil this evening by the Minister for Social Protection. Welcome, everyone.
Thank you. Sorry.
Not at all, especially you, Noreen. For the past 26 years of my professional life in Ireland, I've worked with and for women, one-parent families, and children experiencing poverty or at risk of it through my engagement in An Cassan in West Tala, as a former CEO of the National Women's Council, and as a partner with Barnardos in their prevention and early intervention work. I bring the wealth of this experience and knowledge gleaned from these different work contexts to my own analysis of the social welfare bill. I'm also pleased to chair this press conference because it brings together 3 of the foremost experts in the fields relevant to the issues raised in this bill. These are women who are not only working at the coalface, but they combine this with a sophisticated and a measured analysis of this bill. And their honed analysis clearly states that the social welfare bill, and as published, that's all we have at the moment, will stop lone parents from working and will increase child poverty. That analysis is hard-hitting. I can't imagine the Minister for Social Protection, or indeed the Taoiseach with his entire cabinet, I can't imagine that they could possibly be putting forward a bill for enactment that will have the effect of erecting barriers for lone parents to work and that will increase the number of our children who are poor. It belies understanding that a minister motivated by social justice concerns, and I believe and I know that she is, and a government committed to fairness in jobs, and I believe they are, would want to legalize an increase in poverty. Therefore, the minister and the government, having listened to, and I know they're listening, to the analysis of Open, of the National Women's Council of Ireland, and of Barnardos, I think the government and the minister needs to respond urgently. Furthermore, it would be helpful to understand, against their own commitment to fairness in jobs and using the lens of equality and justice for all, what is the minister's and the government's rationale for these changes to the one-parent family payment proposed in the current bill? And how can these proposed changes, in the absence of quality services, how can they propose these, especially the absence of quality services for those children living in the social conditions of poverty? And so now I'm going to turn to our experts and begin by asking Frances Byrne, Director of Open, to offer the opening statement in terms of their analysis.